6 or 7. 910 viewers. And everyone. Hi, makaabot pa dyan yung skolan nyo. Trabaho kayo manghatog chocolate. Sorry. My love, shout out everyone. Good evening, Evelyn Mendoza. Shout out to you, Evelyn. Thank you for visiting my live. Hello, Les Marie Sanchez. Hi, Les Marie. Thank you. Hello, Layu. So, si Ronaldo Pato. Wait, I was with Milan collection. Hi. What you like? Stand. Well, I'm not beautiful body, but it's okay because I'm not perfect in your eyes. But for me, I am contented with it because God gave it to me. I don't change everything on my body because I needed with my figure, even though it's not perfect, but I need to you know, look at my tummy. I need to exercise this as belly dance. True. Just like I'm putting up waist down the shirt box side. Oh my god. Well, it's not good. Wow. Hello, Larry Gomez. Hello, thank you. Thank you, Milan. Alessandro Albini. Very nice. Thank you, Alessandro. I want to see boxer. Mark Mesterkan. Hi. Albini, thank you so much. Milan, thank you so much for say. You're welcome. Higa ka nga po. Bakit? Ipit yung dito ko. Thank you for my 300 viewers. Camera is not clear, okay? There's my son. Because the internet now is not good.